name is Isaac Happiness Okwe from Benue State University from Botanical and Technical Education. I'm here to teach you how to make pancakes. Come with me to my kitchen. Today I'm going to teach you how to make some pancakes. And here I have my all multipurpose powder, biscuit. This is a product I love using. And I have my milk, I have baking powder, I have sugar here, I have nutmeg, and I have vanilla extra which give you the flavor. And I also have my eggs and have my vegetable oil. And I'm also going to teach you how to make some Nigeria typical vegetable pancakes which we don't usually make. And I have my vegetables here. I have onions, tomatoes, I have green pepper, and I have my carrot and some red pepper. Make sure you don't put the red pepper much, just a little. And let's go. We'll start. We'll just measure 2 cups of all multipurpose flour. Okay, this is my flour. I'm going to measure 2 cups of flour for the baking. Remember, this is biscuit products flour. So we take it back. We just use only 2 cups, and we have our milk here. We just have a cup of milk, and we have a cup of sugar, then a teaspoon of baking powder, teaspoon of baking powder, and I'll have around teaspoon of nutmeg to give it the flavor, and this is vanilla extra for the flavor also. Eggs, we'll break our eggs. Make sure you break your egg carefully so that the shell doesn't fall inside the main egg. We are using 4 eggs because of our flour that we use. We use 4 cups. So we whisk our egg. Make sure it mixes very well. Whisk it, whisk it, whisk it, whisk it. You can see our egg is well mixed now. Our egg is well mixed now. Okay, now we're going to mix our eggs into our powder. So make sure we mix it. Then we'll put a glass of water to mix together. Add a little more water. I told you can use well mix, ready to make. When mix, you can text it to see whether all the ingredients or your recipe are well. Text. This our vegetable oil. We are about to make our pancakes now. Use a vegetable oil. We dash it into another place so that it will be easy to fetch. Okay, we'll now light our gas. You make sure you put the gas on low heat, on very low heat. On low heat, so that you don't burn your pancakes. Pancakes doesn't need much vegetable oil, just little, very little. Very little. Make sure it goes around the pan. Make sure the oil goes around the pan. And leave it to heat. That's when it is well heat. Then. Okay, guys. Now our pan is well heat. We are about to make our pancakes now. Okay. Okay. When it's well heat, then you turn it the other way. Turn it the other way again. Some people like it brownish in color, but it all depends on what you want. Okay, so our pancakes one is ready. Hey guys, back to our vegetable pancakes. You can see this one that we already made here. This is what we call pancakes, but this one is just normal pancakes that we make every day. But this one is a typical Nigerian pancakes with vegetables. We have diced our vegetable. Make sure when you're watching your carrots, you scrub the back very well. These are our carrots, onions, green pepper, tomato, and some little red pepper. So we'll mix it into our all-purpose flour. You don't need to mix it from the beginning again because we have mixed it before. All you need to do is just to mix your vegetables. Can see yummy. Wow. is our vegetable pancakes. Hello guys, we have come to the end of our lesson. Our end products, these are our pancakes. These are our normal everyday pancakes that we have made, and this is another different pancake with other different flavors. These are vegetable pancakes. Thank you very much guys.